Good morning to all of you. I welcomes to all in this lecture series, that is Fourier series. This is our lecture number 6. Up to lecture number 5 we have been discussed introduction part of the Fourier series and how to find out a Fourier series of a function which is periodic and having the period is 2 pi, and some useful integrals I have been also given in that last videos. And to find out the Fourier series of any function, we need to find out the a0, an, bn. So in detail we have been discussed, and we also have been considered one problem, that is fx equal to x square, or considering the Fourier series of function x square which is in between minus pi and pi, that we have to prove pi square by 3 plus 4 into summation over n equal to 1 to infinite minus 1 to the power n cos nx by n square. In detail we have been discussed. And when we have to consider minus pi to pi, when we have to consider 0 to 2 pi, that also we have been discussed in last video. So who among of you not gone through those videos, so I suggest you go through the previous videos and then refer today's video. Okay, so in the last class I have been given to all of you to do this work, to do this question, that using Fourier series expansion of x to the power 4, we have to prove that 1 by n to the power 4 is equal to pi to the power 4 by 90. Okay. Yes, another thing I forgot, that last class also we have been discussed about Kronecker. C, this is K. Okay, this is K R O N E C K E R. Okay, this is K R O. So Kronecker method of evaluation of integral of the type of integration, that is gx into phi x dx. Why we have been discussed? Because in our Fourier series, whenever we are trying to find out the Fourier series, we are always interacting with the integration, that is fx cos nx, fx sin nx, like that. So this type of integration is belongs to like gx phi x dx. So sometimes to integrate fx cos nx or fx sin nx, it is somewhat tedious. It is somewhat tedious and complex also. So long we have to derive. So to overcome this, or to avoid that lengthy process, this is the shortest method that you can use to find out the integration, like gx phi x dx. So in detail we have been discussed how to use Kronecker method to find out this type of integration in our last class. So you can refer the last video. So in short, I can discuss, or I can say to you, that if this type of integration we can found, that is gx fx dx, then the integration by using Kronecker method will be gx f1x minus g dash x f2x plus minus plus, okay, g double dash x f3x minus g triple dash x f4x, so on. Okay, here gx considered as first function. Suppose this is the integral gx and phi x. Here gx is the first function and phi x is the second function by considering islet. in that video we have been discussed in detail. Here also, whenever we have to do our problem x to the power 4, you can better understand. You just go through the formula. Okay, so here g dash x is nothing but derivative of first derivative d by dx of gx. Okay, d by dx of gx. G double dash x is second derivative of gx. G triple dash x means 3 times we have to take the derivative of gx. Okay, like that, up to as much as possible, up to the derivative not going to be get as 0. Okay, up to that much term we have to be considered. So now f1x, here capital F. Okay, capital Fx is nothing but integration of phi x dx. F2x is equal to f1x dx. F3x integration over f2x dx. F4x is equal to integration of f3x dx. Likewise, fnx will be fn minus 1 x dx. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can write this one. Okay, you can pause the video here and you can write. Okay. In our last class also we have been discussed about even and odd functions. So what is the even function? Suppose fx is a function and this fx is said to be an even if f minus x will be fx. Then this fx will be called as even function. So what are the example of even function? That are x square, cos x, tan square x, sin square x, mod x, and even one constant will be called as also even function. Okay, so let fx is x square. Suppose we have to consider x square one function, then f minus x will be minus x square, that will be x square. Okay, that means it came out the same function fx. Hence x square is a even function. And odd function, the function is said to be an odd if f minus x will be equal to minus fx. So at the time of watching the video, you can pause the video and you can write the note. Okay, so the example of odd functions are x, x cube, sin x, tan x, like that. So here if we have to consider fx equal to x cube, so f minus x will be minus x cube, will be minus x cube, that is minus of fx. So hence the x cube is a odd function. Now some useful properties about even and odd function. These are the simple properties, just you have to follow. That are, the sum of two even functions is even. Okay, suppose f1 is one function and f2 is another function. F1x is let x square, f2x supposed to be x to the power 4, both are even. So if I will add f1 and f2, it will be x square plus x to the power 4. Let this is gx. Okay, so g minus x, g of minus x will be minus x square plus minus x to the power 4. It will be x square plus x to the power 4 will be equal to gx. That is, hence this will be a even function. That is, gx is the even function, or the sum of two even functions is even. Likewise, also you can verify that the sum of two odd functions is odd. The product of two even functions is even. The product of two odd functions is even. The product of an even and odd function is odd. Here like I can say that here plus into plus is equal to plus, like this concept you can consider, that product of two even function plus into plus equal to plus, product of two odd function, that is minus into minus equal to plus, okay, plus, and here minus even function, even into odd will be equal to odd function minus. So plus into minus equal to minus, like that you can also consider. Okay, so this is not required for you. Now some useful properties belongs to even and odd functions, that is the sum of two even functions is even. Suppose we have to consider f1x is x square, f2x is equal to x to the power 4. So f1x plus f2x will be x square plus x to the power 4, it is gx, and g minus x will be equal to same x square plus x to the power 4, that is gx. So hence gx is even function, or we can say that sum of two even functions is even. Okay, now other say some properties that you can consider, that is sum of two odd functions is odd. Also you can verify in this same manner, the sum of two odd functions is odd, the product of two even functions is even, that is you can consider plus into plus will be equal to plus. Okay, plus into plus is equal to plus, and like that the sum of the product of two odd functions is even. Here the third bit that is the product of two even functions, that is plus into plus will be equal to plus. The product of odd function will be even, that is minus into minus will be plus. The product of an even and odd function is odd, that is plus into minus will be equal to minus. So in this way you can also remember. Okay, next another two important properties regarding even and odd function, that is suppose fx is an even function. Fx is an even function. Here fx is an, suppose if fx is an even function of x, then minus pi to pi fx dx can be written as 2 into 0 to pi fx dx. Okay, but if this is another properties, v, it is vi and v double i, that is in our last page we have been considered the up to v we have been considered, up to v properties we have been considered, that the product of an even and odd function is odd. Okay, and here in this page another two properties, that if fx is an odd function of x, then minus pi to pi fx dx is equal to 0. So these things we have been discussed in our last class. So if you want, you can pause the video at the time of watching the video, or you can watch first the video, then once again go through the video and pause the video if you want to write the note. Okay, now we have to start to do the problem, that whatever I given to you, that is using Fourier series of x to the power 4, which is in between minus pi to pi, we have to prove this one. So first we have to find out the Fourier series of x to the power 4. So here, as we discussed the Kronecker method of evaluation of integration, odd and even function, because of some use is there in this question. Okay, and also you have to use the Kronecker integration or integration by Kronecker method and even and odd functions properties. Most of these two properties will be required. Wherever you are going to face odd function and minus pi to pi, you no need to derive, you no need to integrate. You have to direct, you have to put 0. Again I repeat, whenever you have to interact the odd function in this way, minus pi to pi fx is odd, then you have to put the 0. So if fx is even, you have to put 2 into 0 to pi fx dx. Whenever we are going to do this problem, you will be clear about that. So to prove above, first we have to find out the Fourier series of x to the power 4. We know that in general the Fourier series of a periodic function fx can be written as fx is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation over n equal to 1 to infinite an cos nx plus summation over n equal to 1 to infinite bn sin nx. Okay, these things we know. Here an, a0, an, bn are Fourier coefficients. So here a0 will be 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx dx. Why? Because this function exists in between minus pi to pi. So hence we have to write 1 by pi minus pi to pi. If suppose this function exists in between 0 to 2 pi, then we can write this will be 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So as this function exists in between minus pi to pi, hence it will be 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx dx. So these things we have been detailed discussed in our previous video. You can go through that video. Sorry. An will be equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx cos nx dx. Bn will be equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx sin nx dx. So after getting these values, if we have to put here, then we can get the required Fourier series of x to the power 4. Now we have to find out one by one. First evaluation of a0, which is nothing but 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx dx. Okay. So here minus pi to pi fx is equal to how much? X to the power 4 dx. Okay. So it will be 1 by pi x to the power 5 by 5 minus pi to pi. So 1 by pi, it will be, instead of x I have to put the limit pi to the power 5 minus pi to the power 5 by 5 will be equal to 1 by pi into 2 into, because minus because minus pi to the power 5 will be equal to minus pi to the power 5. Okay. So minus pi to the power whole 5 will be equal to minus pi to the power 5. So it will be minus and minus, it will be plus. So 2 pi to the power 5 by 5. So we can get 2 pi to the power 4 by 5. Now we have to use the concept of even function. So by using even function concept, you have to write also this one. Okay. This you have to write. Okay. Also again you have to write also this one by putting the heading that using even function concept, by using even function concept, that is a0 equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi x to the power 4 dx. So here x to the power 4 is a even function, Okay. So we can write 2 by pi 0 to pi minus pi to pi. Instead of minus pi to pi, it will be 2 into 0 to pi. So it will be 2 by pi 0 to pi x to the power 4 dx. Okay. So it will be 2 by pi x to the power 4, integration of x to the power 4 will be x to the power 5 by 5 0 to pi. So it will be 2 by pi to the power 5 by 5. So 2 into pi to the power 4 by 5. So in this way we got this one, 2 pi to the power 4 by 5. In this way also we got 2 pi to the power 4 by 5. Now you can ask, sir, which method or which procedure that we are going to be apply. I will be suggest that you have to apply or you have to use this one, because sometimes this function will be a even function. So by few steps you can get the answer. See, here only you have to put pi limit pi, and 0 you should not, you no need to put, because we know that if you are going to put 0 it will be 0. But here you have to put two limits. So here much more steps required as compared to this one. So I will be suggest that you have to go with this. So whenever you are interacting with the even and odd function, you have to use this method. Okay, now we have to go for the evaluation of an. So we know that an is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx cos nx dx. Okay, so here fx is nothing but x to the power 4 cos nx dx. The above integral is in the form of gx fx dx. Okay, so now we can use the method, that is Kronecker method, to solve this integration with easy step, or by reducing the steps we can use the Kronecker method. So what is the Kronecker method? By the Kronecker method, the integration of gx fx phi x, this is phi x dx, will be equal to gx into f1x minus g dash x f2x plus g double dash x f3x minus g triple dash x f4x plus g ivx f5x and so on. So here gx is the first function and phi x is the second function, and g dash x is the first derivative, g double dash x is the second derivative of gx, where f1x is the integration of phi x dx. Okay, f2x is equal to phi 1x dx, like that. As per the question, whatever the question we have, or whatever we have the integral, that is x to the power 4 cos nx dx, that is x to the power 4 cos nx dx. So in this integral there is two functions, this is one function, this is another function. So which one will be considered as the first function, or the so called gx? By considering islet. So if we have to move from left to this side, which one is the first, or which one we are going to interact first? This is inverse, logarithmic, arithmetic, trigonometric. So this is arithmetic and trigonometric. So first we have been interacted arithmetic, then trigonometric. So we have to consider the first function will be x to the power 4, or gx will be considered as x to the power 4 is the first function, cos nx will be the phi x is the second function. So by considering islet, see here I am doing by each step by step, because as we have been started the Fourier series, so I think that for few questions we have to go for the step by step, but in our preceding classes, in our next classes, we are not going to go with by this step by step. Okay, I will write the direct answer. If we have this integral, I will write the direct answer. So now I will suggest to you that you go through by step and familiar with this method, that it will help you to write the direct answer like this. Okay, see, so that means suppose we have this integral, direct I have to consider this is the arithmetic, this is the trigonometry, so this will be the gx, this will be phi x, like that. So these steps will be not written in our future problems. I am not going to be write. Okay, so now gx is x to the power 4, g dash x is 4 x to the power q, g double dash x 12 x to the power 4, g triple dash x is equal to 24 x g I v x is equal to 24, g v x equal to 0. So up to g I v x term has to be considered. Up to g I v x, that means up to f 5px we have been considered, we have to consider. So now up to f 5px we have to be calculate. So phi x is cos nx, phi 1x is equal to f1x is equal to phi x dx, that is cos nx dx will be equal to integration over will be equal to sin nx by n. f2x will be f1x dx, that equal to sin nx by n dx will be equal to minus cos nx by n square. f3x, that will be integration of this one, minus cos nx by n square dx will be minus n sin nx by n cube. Then f4x will be the integration of this one, will be cos nx by n4, because sin nx will be minus, so minus minus plus, it will be cos nx by n4, n to the power 4. f5x will be integration of this one, cos nx by n to the power 4 dx will be equal to plus, this is the plus sign, okay, this is the plus sign, this is the plus sign, sin nx by n to the power 5. Now x to the power 4 cos nx, x to the power 4 cos nx will be written as in this form, that is a gx f1x g dash x, like this. So whenever we have to do our problems in our next classes or in our preceding classes, these things whatever I written step by step I am not going to write, or we are not going to write. We have to write this one, and direct we have to put gx value, f1 x value, f2 x value, f3 x value, g dash x value, g double dash x value, like. Do practice for this question and try to be familiarized with this Kronecker method. Okay. So x to the power 4 cos nx dx will be equal to how much? Gx, that is gx into f1x, gx into f1x. Gx is x to the power 4, f1x is sin nx by n, sin nx by n, minus g dash x f2x, g dash x is 4x cube into f2x is minus cos nx. See, g dash x minus g dash x f2x, then plus g triple dash x f3x. So plus g triple dash x, sorry, g double dash x, here g double dash x f3x. So g double dash x is how much? 12 x square into f3x, f3x is sin nx by nq, sin nx by nq. Next, g triple dash x minus g triple dash x f4x, g triple dash x, so minus g triple dash x is how much? 24x into f4x is cos nx by n4, cos nx by n4. Next, last one is plus g ivx into f5x, that is g ivx is 24 and f5x is sin nx by n5, sin nx by n5. Okay, so now in the next page what I have been written, this minus minus will be plus, and this will be minus, this is minus, this is plus. As usual, whatever written here, only this minus minus plus I have been written, and this is minus I have been written in the next page. That is so an what we got, our integration of x to the power 4 cos nx dx is this one. But however, an is how much? An is 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx cos nx. So hence an equal to 1 by pi x to the power 4 cos nx dx. Right, so an is nothing but minus pi to pi x to the power 4 cos nx dx. Okay, whatever the x to the power 4 cos nx dx integration we have been found here, the same thing I have to put there. Okay, that is x to the power 4 sin nx by n plus 4x cube cos nx by n square. Here plus, here because it is minus minus, plus 4x cube into cos nx by n square, then minus 12x square sin nx by n cube minus 24x cos nx by n to the power 4 plus 24 into sin nx by n 5. So this is the integration value, but limit is minus pi to pi, so we have to put minus pi to pi. Okay, now we have to put the value of limit. See, here first term is x to the power 4 sin n pi x by n. So if I will be put pi as the limit, it will be pi to the power 4 sin n pi by n minus pi to the power 4 sin n minus pi by n, whatever may be, sin pi or sin minus pi value will be equal to 0. Sin any pi will be equal to 0. Hence the first term will be cancelled out, or the first term value will be equal to 0. Okay, now we have to consider the second one. Second term is that one, that is 4x cube into cos nx by n square. We have to put pi and minus pi limit. Okay, first we have to put pi. Pi means 4 pi cube into cos n pi by n square, 4 pi cube into cos n pi by n square minus again we have to put the limit minus pi. Minus pi means 4, instead of x I have to put minus pi cube cos n minus pi divided by n square. Okay, then third term again it has sin x, means it will be equal to 0. Then fourth term, this term will be minus, it is here, so it will be 24 pi cos n pi by n to the power 4 minus 24, instead of x how much I have to put? Minus pi. I have to put minus pi, limit is minus pi cos n minus pi by n to the power 4 plus fourth term is sin. So sin pi or minus pi, whatever, it will be 0. Okay, now it will be 1 by pi, this will be c, 4 pi cube cos n pi by n square, this will be minus pi cube is how much? Minus pi cube minus pi to the power whole cube is equal to how much? Minus, this will be equal to how much? This will equal minus pi cube. So minus plus, so it will be 4 pi cube plus 4 pi cube, and again cos n minus pi, it will be equal to cos n pi, so it will be 8 pi cube cos n pi by n square minus, here see, minus plus, cos n pi also plus, so it will be minus 24 48 pi cos n pi by 4. Okay, so now take common pi cos n pi outside, so 1 by pi into cos n pi, so it will be 8 pi square by n square minus 48 by n to the power 4, that will be equal to pi got cancelled, cos n pi we know that minus 1 to the power n. Okay, minus n to the power minus 1 to the power n into 8 pi square by n square minus 48 by n to the power 4. So here n is equal to 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, the here n starts from 1 2. Okay, because the series also starts from n, in the series, whenever we have to consider the Fourier series, there also n value starting from n equal to 1 2 3 like that. Here n starting from 1 to 3 like that. So here in this way, considering minus pi to pi limit, we found the an value is this much, right? Now by considering even function method, we have to consider the even function. That is, we know that, so here an equal to 1 by n, 1 by pi minus pi to pi x to the power 4 cos nx dx. See, x to the power 4 is a even, cos nx is a even, so even into even is a even function. That means this whole function is also a even function. If this is a even function, then we can write 2 by pi 0 to pi x to the power 4 cos nx dx. Okay, but the integration of x to the power 4 cos nx dx will be this much, whatever we have been written here. Okay, only limit has been changed from 0 to pi. So this will be 2 by pi, whatever the value we have been got, that we have to put x to the power 4 sin nx by n. Integration of x to the power 4 cos nx, whatever value we have been got, this one by considering Kronecker method, that we have to put. So x to the power same thing we have to put, x to the power 4 sin nx by n plus 4x cube cos nx by n square minus this all the terms. Okay, now this is the limit from 0 to pi. Now we have to put the limit. See, sin any pi, sin n pi will be equal to 0, sin 0 will be equal to 0. So by putting higher limit and lower limit for this first term, we can get the 0. Okay, now we have to put higher limit, upper limit and lower limit for this term, 4x cube. So it will be 4, higher limit is pi, 4 pi cube cos n pi by n square minus if we have to put x equal to 0, then minus it will be 0. Okay, then minus 12 x square sin nx, again sin pi or sin 0 will be 0. That means this term will be equal to 0, then fourth term, this term we have to consider, that is 24 pi, higher limit we have to put at x pi cos n pi by n to the power 4 minus we have to put 0, means it will be 0. Okay, now this term is sin nx, so if you have to put pi or 0, it will be 0. So like that we can found 2 by pi 4 pi cube cos n pi by n square, this is minus 24 pi cos n pi by n4. So if we have to take common pi cos n pi and multiply 2 inside the bracket, then it will be 8 pi square minus 48 by n to the power 4. Though it will be pi got cancelled, cos n pi will be this much. So this equal to this one. So now you can ask to me that which method we have to be adopt to do this integration. I will be suggest that, or we have to do in our next problems, whenever we have to do in our preceding classes, we have to consider this one, even function method, by considering even function, because here 2 times we have to put the limit, we have to put the pi minus pi. Okay, here also we have to put the 2 times, but I will suggest that we have to consider the even and odd function method. If we have in interact somewhere even function and it is minus pi to pi integration, first we have to write 2 by pi 0 to pi like this, then we have to do the integration. Okay, next we have to move to calculate bn. We have to evaluate bn. So here I have not written, here I have to write, that is evaluation of bn. So we know that the Bn is nothing but 1 by pi minus pi to pi x to the power 4 sin nx dx. So here also we have to find out the so called gx. Here if we have to consider islet, this will be the first function, this will be the second function. So gx will be equal to x to the power 4, g dash will be x to the power 4 x cube, like that. These things already we have been found whenever we have been calculated the an. Now here fx is sin x. Now f1x will be integration of sin nx will be minus cos nx by n. F2x integration of this one will be minus sin nx by n square. F3x will be the integration of this one will be cos nx by n cube. See here sin nx, integration of sin nx means sin nx integration means minus plus, so it will be cos nx by n cube. Next f4x will be cos nx by n cube dx, integration will be sin nx by n to the power 4. Then f5x will be integration of this one will be minus cos nx by n to the power 5. Now by considering Kronecker method, gx fx will be equal to gx f1x minus, this is minus, okay, g dash x f2x plus g double dash x f3x minus g triple dash x f4x plus g ivx f5x. Here we have to consider up to g ivx because g5x is 0, fifth derivative of gx is 0. So the term this beyond the iv term, so after this fourth derivative term, that is g5x will be not come in our integration. So only for that we have been considered here g ivx f5x. Suppose another function, suppose the function is x to the power 5 is there, so gvx will be not equal to 0. At that time we can consider gvx, but here gvx 0 means after givx the terms will be cancelled out. Now bn will be 1 by pi, okay, x to the power 4, that is, see these things we have to write, gx f1x x to the power 4 minus cos nx by n, x to the power 4 minus cos nx by n, then minus g dash x f2x, g dash x 4x cube minus sin nx by n square, 4x cube minus sin nx by n square, then g double dash x plus g double dash x f3x, g double dash x is 12x square, f3x is cos nx by n cube. So here 12x square into cos nx by n cube. Next that is g triple dash x f4x, g triple dash x is 24x, but it is minus 24x, and f4x is sin nx by n to the power 4, sin nx by n to the power 4. Then last term is g ivx into f5x, g ivx is 24, f5x is minus cos nx by n5, so it is minus cos nx by n5. So limit after doing the integration, the bn has 1 by pi integration of etiki, but limit minus pi to pi, so we have to put minus pi to pi. Okay, again I have to recall one thing, that whenever we have to do this type of a problem in our preceding classes, this value I am not going to be calculate. Okay, these values I have to put direct, only I have to write this general form. So which one is the gx, which one is the 5x, we can easily found from this, and direct from here, see from here we can write directly the values. Like I can say, I can give you like this, we are going to calculate with, that is here I have to write in our preceding classes how we are going to do. How we are going to do that, first I will be write this equation. So from this gx is this one, and 5x is this one. So gx is x to the power 4, f1x is the first integration. I have to write this here, first integration I have to write, then its derivative, then its second integration, minus, then plus its double derivative and corresponding its integration, then triple derivative corresponding integration, like that I have to be write. Okay, so I suggest that you have to practice in that way. So in this way we found the integration of b n x, that is x to the power 4 sin nx is this, but bn is 1 by pi integration of minus pi to pi, so minus pi to pi. So if we have to put the limit, upper and lower limit for each term, see here minus we have been so here we have to put minus pi means it is minus, so minus will be there. Instead of x we have to put pi to the power 4 cos n pi by n. Okay, so minus of lower limit, minus of it is already, it is minus is there, so it will be plus. So instead of x we have to put minus pi to the power 4 cos n minus pi by n. Okay, so it is sine, so the sine of any pi will be equal to 0, this term will be cancelled out, means 0. Then 12x square cos nx by nq, so 12 is taken outside, we have to put pi instead of x square it is pi square cos n pi by nq minus of, instead of x we have to put minus pi, so minus pi square cos n minus pi. So again this term, if we are going to consider sin any pi will be equal to 0, then last term is 24 and it will be minus cos n pi by n to the power 5 minus it will be plus cos n minus pi by n to the power 5. So here you can see that this is minus pi to the power 4 cos n pi, it will be plus pi to the power 4 cos n pi by n, because cos n minus pi will be cos n pi, because this is even function, minus pi to the power 4 will be pi to the power 4, but this will be minus. Okay, this minus is outside this bracket, so this is the minus and this is the plus, so two terms are equal and opposite will be cancelled out. So first this term will be 0, second term already 0 is there. So here see, this is pi square cos n pi by nq minus pi square will be pi square cos n minus pi will be cos n pi. So this term will be again cancelled out, will be equal to 0. Third term already is 0 is there. Then this is c minus cos n pi by n to the power 5. Here cos n minus pi will be cos n pi by n to the power 5. So minus plus will be 0, equal to 0. So here by doing this much work, at last we found bn, value of bn will be equal to 0, bn equal to 0. But by considering the odd and even function, whatever we have been discussed, here you can see this x to the power 4 is a even, sine this is a even function, into sin nx is a odd function, so even into odd will be odd function. So this whole function is a odd function. Okay, this whole is a odd function. So as we have been discussed that if somewhere it has been written that minus pi to pi fx dx, if fx is odd then we have to write it will be 0. So direct we have to put it will be 0, no need to do this much work. So whenever we have to do in our preceding classes the problems, whenever we have to interact the odd function and the limit is minus pi to pi, there is odd function, then we have to direct write the 0, no need to, again I repeat, no need to do this one. So whenever we have to interact a odd function, then there we have to put direct 0. This is the procedure that you have to remember. Okay. So now the Fourier series is the so-called function x to the power 4 will be equal to a by a0 by 2 minus 1 to infinity an cos nx plus 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So here we found that a0 is 2 into pi to the power 4 by 5. Okay. So here a0 is 2 pi to the power 4 by 5. So instead of a0 we have to put 2 pi to the power 4 by 5, and an we found minus 1 to the power n 8 pi square by n square minus 48 by n to the power 4 into cos nx, plus as we found bn is equal to 0, then this term will be equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to put x is equal to pi. Here in this equation we have to put x is equal to 1. The left hand side will be pi to the power 4. So here this will 2 got cancel, so it will be pi to the power 4 by 5 plus minus 1 to summation over n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the n. This will be 8 pi square by n square minus 48 by n to the 4 cos n pi. Okay. Again cos n pi can be written as minus 1 to the power n. So minus 1 to the power n into minus 1 to the power n, it will be 1. So 4, this will and we have to take pi to the 4 by 5 this side, it will be pi to the 4 minus pi to the 4 by 5, it will be 4 pi to the 4 by 5 is equal to summation over n equal to 1 to infinite this much. Okay. Now that implies this is I striked out, this is nothing. Okay, you have to consider here. So 4 pi to the 4 by 5, 4 pi to the 4 by 5, it will be minus 1 to the n equal to 1 to infinite 8 pi square by n square minus summation over n equal to 1 to infinite 48 by n to the power 4. Okay. Now 8 pi square we have to take outside. The rest will be, if we have to take 8 pi square outside, then rest term will be summation over n is equal to 1 to infinite 1 by n square. So this term will be equal to pi square by 6. Whenever we have been done the problem x square, at that time we found, see, whenever we have been done x square problem, so if we have to consider the answer whatever we have been got for x square, so x square we found the Fourier series is this one. Okay, for x square we found the Fourier series is this one. The detailed derivation of x square you can follow the last video. So here we found that pi square by 3 plus 4 summation over n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the n cos nx by n square. Okay. Or x square will be pi square by 3 plus 4 into n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n cos nx by n square. Now we have to put x is equal to pi. If we have to put x is equal to pi, then right hand side will be pi square, then pi square by 3 plus 4 into summation over n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n cos n pi by n square. That implies pi square is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 into summation over n equal to 1 to infinity. So here minus 1 to the power n, minus 1 to the power n is there, cos n pi again we have to write minus 1 to the power n. So minus 1 to the n minus 1 to the n will be 1, will be equal to 1. Then it will be, if we have to take pi square by 3 this side, it will be 2 pi square by 3 is equal to 4 minus 1 summation over n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square, right? So it will be summation over n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square will be 4, it will be multiplied over here at the denominator, it will pi square by 6. So here we found that summation over 1 to infinity 1 by n square is equal to pi square by 6. So this answer we can put there directly as 1 by n square summation over 1 to infinity will be pi square by 6. So here it will be, this value can be written as pi square by 6. So it will pi square by 6 minus 1 to infinity 48 by n to the 4. So it will 1 by 1 to infinity 48 by n to the 4 will be 8 pi square by 6, 8 pi to the 4 by 6. This will be go this side. So 4 pi square by 5, 4 pi to the 4 by 5. So this will be 40 pi to the 4 minus 24 pi to the 4 by 30. So it will be so called 16 pi to the 4 by 30. That implies 1 by n to the power 4 will be this much or this one. So hence it has been proved whatever we have been given, or it has given that this will be this. So it is proved like that. So next another question for you, that is, this is very simple question that is, find the Fourier series for function fx which is in between minus pi to 0 it is minus c, 0 to pi it is c, and this answer will be 4c by pi and this one. So if I have to draw the function, then 0 to 0, this is 0 to pi, this value is one constant plus c. Suppose this distance is c, suppose this distance is c and this distance is minus c. So 0 to minus pi is minus c. So we know that Fourier series is this one. So a0 is nothing but 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx dx. But here we have to write, here the function have not continuous, it has discontinuous. Discontinuous at where? At 0. At 0 the function is discontinuous. Discontinuous means 0 to pi, after 0 it will be plus c, before 0 it is minus c, before 0 it is minus c. So this function is a discontinuous one at x is equal to 0. Okay, so only for that we have to separate out this limit, that is minus pi to 0 plus 0 to pi. Minus pi to 0 the function is minus c, we have to minus c, and 0 to pi it is c dx. So 1 by pi minus cx 0 cx, the integration will be cx minus pi to 0, this will be cx 0 to pi. So if we have to put the limit, it will be equal to 0. Likewise, if we have to consider an, that is 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx cos nx, that is 1 by pi minus pi to 0 minus c, for instead of fx minus pi to 0 it will be minus c cos nx dx, 0 to pi cos nx dx. So it will be minus c taken out, and cos nx derivative integration will be sin nx by n minus pi to pi, then c is a constant, can be taken outside, it will be sin nx by n 0 to pi. Okay, so this will be if we have to put the limit, then any sign, any value 0 or pi will be 0 or pi will be equal to 0. So an equal to 0. Here we could not consider odd and even function, because here the limits are separated out. If minus pi to pi, one total period function will be there, minus pi to pi, it is one full period will be there, then we can consider odd and even function. But here minus pi to 0 could not be considered the odd and even function. So here bn will be minus 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx sin nx dx. So likewise it will minus pi to 0 sin minus c plus c sin nx. The integration will be minus cos nx by n minus cos nx by n minus pi to 0, 0 to pi. So if I have to put the limit, then it will be here minus minus plus. So c by n can be taken out. so it will be cos 0 minus cos n pi. So if I have to put, this is minus is taken out and it will be minus here c by n, and it will be cos n pi minus cos 0. So here it will be c by n, cos 0 will be 1, cos n pi minus c by n, cos n pi minus cos 0 will be equal to 1. So it can be written as c by n 1 minus cos n pi plus c by n 1 minus cos n pi. So it will be 1 by pi 2c by n 1 minus cos n pi, or 2c by n pi 1 minus cos n pi. Now the Fourier series will be equal to this one, because a0 equal to 0, an found, it has been found that is 0, and only bn value is this much. So minus 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So if I am going to write each and every term, if I have to put 1, then cos pi, it will be cos pi will be minus 1. So 1 minus minus 1 will be 2. Okay, so 2 into 2, 4c by pi sin x. If I have to consider n equal to 2, n equal to means cos 2 pi will be equal to 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. Then third term will be 4c by 3 pi sin 3x. Fourth term will be 0. Fifth term will be 4c by 5 pi sin 5x, like that. So at the end we can found fx equal to 4c by pi will be this one. Whatever I given that the Fourier series will be this one, will be this. So now we have to stop our video here, lecture for today, and I have to give two questions, that considering the Fourier series of the previous question, means considering this Fourier series, you have to prove this one. The Fourier series of this one, you have to prove this one. Okay. And another question is that this one. So fx x plus x square in pi by find the Fourier series. Here f dot s, with a short form I written that f dot s means Fourier series of fx equal to x plus x square. Already we have been found x, Fourier series of x, but at that time we have been found the Fourier series of x having the limit of 0 to 2 pi, but and also we have been found the limit Fourier series of x square in the limit of minus pi to pi. So you no need to find out the Fourier series of x square once again, but you have to find out the Fourier series of x in between minus pi to pi limit. Okay, find out the Fourier series of x minus pi to pi limit, and then Fourier series of x square already we have been calculated, you have to put and you can get this one. Okay, the Fourier series of this one will be this one. Okay, you can write the question, pause the video and write the question. For this question I can give you one simple hints for the first question, this one. For this question I can give the hints that if you can take x is equal to pi by 2, then you can get this answer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. You go through this video, and whenever you want you can pause the video and you can write the note, and if you have any doubt you can ask me, we have to discuss. Thank you so much.